Hello, YouTube. It's been a minute since we hung out, but today we bring you a very exciting unboxing video here at Wonder Fair in Lawrence, Kansas. All the way from Japan, we have received our very first Hobonichi order. Everybody wanted this super bad, and we did it for you because we love you, and also planners. So, firstly, let's examine this extraordinarily elegant, mechanically typed shipping label from Japan. It has texture and feel because it's not printed digitally, so you know they care. Some kind of raised type relief, maybe an old dot matrix almost, but with type. I don't understand, but I love it. So, let's dig into box number 1. They're short blades. The shipping was fast and expensive, but that's fine, because when you think about it, these planners have traveled thousands of miles to be with us here at Wonder Fair, the only retailer for Hobonichi in the entire Midwest. That's pretty cool. How did we get this account? By asking really nicely in an email that was roughly translated into Japanese. And they were so kind. Thank you, Hobonichi. All right, what's up first? The life book. Ooh la la. That's pretty. It has a little animal on it. More of that. At least 2 very lucky people will get to buy these copies of the weeks. Hobonichi weeks. Pocket sized. Clean. This little polka dot, it's so cute. It looks like a shirt, like a gentleman's shirt, or a gentle lady shirt, or a gender non-conforming person's shirt that's very elegant. Most importantly, hedgehog. Pop, will you drop in that cute hedgehog image? Sweet. We got extras of these only because their promo image was so cute, we died. Then we came back to life so we could open the box and sell you these Hobonichis. So now we're zombies. Anyway, coffee beans. For all you roast heads out there. This. An elegant red. Erica, I think you were waiting for this. That's for you. Set that aside. And elegant taupe, and stately blue. Get a narrower receiving table. Okay, what's up next? Ooh, with the cover. So nice. This is in the canary color. Elegant. If you're just starting your Hobonichi journal, maybe you need to pick one up with a cover included. This one will be harder to lose on your desk full of 1,400 planners. Classy. I only ordered 1 hydrangea. That was probably a mistake. Already special ordered, don't fall in love with it. A maybe. Pop, citrus. Alright, that was a good box. And here is a piece of paper made to fit a void in a planner person's life. So we'll sell that as well. It's already shaped to fill the voids in your life. So that's nice. I don't know how I'm going to price that. All right, onward to box 2. Also lovingly tagged, too long. You know, if this was Martha's show, some intern would have already slit these boxes, but we don't believe in unpaid labor anymore here at the Wonder Fair. So, I'm doing it myself. All right. taco in all the colors again. I ordered more of these than I remember. It's fine. Babies. So many baby tacos. I would tell you about them, but I feel that you should instead explore the teeming world of Hobonichi enthusiasts online and let them tell you not only why you should be a Hobonichi enthusiast, but the 101 million ways you can go deep, deep into their troves of knowledge. There's no time for that. There's a whole YouTube channel for that, I'm sure. Instead, oh good, 2 hydrangeas. This is excellent. Quadruple pink. I must have just been feeling very navy the day we ordered these. Okay. This now represents probably something like 63% of all the Hobonichis in the Midwest United States right now. That's pretty cool. All right. Going big, excellent, with the cousin. Why is the cousin the largest size? What is it about cousins in Japan that makes you think you're gonna need extra space for writing things down? It's probably because they have closer bonds, familial bonds. I barely talk to my cousins. Sorry, Andy and Kelly. You're cool. Maybe we should hang out sometime. Have you heard of The Cousin? We could talk about it. I don't think they watch this station. Anyway, cousins upon cousins. Maybe buy one for your niece or nephew or cousin. We have them in many colors. And that concludes our box of Hobonichi. There's no void fillers in here. So if you need to fill a void in your life, or to come up with a way to do an organized tracking of all the things you use to fill up your life, perhaps you should consider a Hobonichi, which will give you all the tools you need to do a very organized and elegant accounting of your life. Shall we look inside? One. ASMR rattle for you. That is pleasant. All right, let's get inside this Teco cousin. I'm coming over. Wait a minute. Coming over. Teco. Excellent. How's that framing? All right, we have all of our upcoming months. Now into our month view. These, of course, use Tomo River paper, famed for its exceptionally thin dimension, but still very strong and able to withstand even the inkiest of fountain pens and inks. So if you are a pen person, this is the planner for you. Oh yeah, every day. Start at 4 a.m., go till 4 p.m., start at 4 a.m., go back to 4 a.m. It's an entire loop, every hour. This is for people who really want to get down to the nitty-gritty of their schedule. Every single day, do a different page for daily journaling. So nice. Every day of the year. The Japanese version, of course, comes in color. The English does not. But you don't need to be able to read all of it. Know when the moon is full. Convenient. If you're a werewolf. This is the planner for werewolves. I just thought about that. What kind of planners do werewolves use? Probably this one. They gotta plan ahead. Anyway, all you werewolves, Hobonichi enthusiasts, and people who really need to get their shit together, you're welcome. They're here, and they are just one of many, many planners sold at Wonder Fair in Lawrence, Kansas. Come by and visit, like and subscribe, etc., etc. Okay, bye. minute. I'm actually